Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. Well, we got a new mystery box, so let's check it out. This time, magical at your door. Magic at your door. So this is the second time I've gotten a box from him, and the first one I was really excited. I got a lot of great stuff in there, and I'm pretty excited to see what's in this one. Picking out some new Disney subscription boxes, so if you know any, definitely let me know. I'm excited for Magic at Your Door. So why waste any time? Let's check her out. Now, I think last time I got Magic at Your Door, I was it gold bag winner? Golden ticket winner? So I already know something that should be in here. Fingers crossed. And it's something I got to pick out, which I was real excited about. All right, here we got the box. Looking fantastic. All right. Oh boy. I'm pretty certain I got some ears too, so yeah. A lot of foozles, but between the foozles, I see these two balls. Little Pixar balls. This is awesome. Now, I am not much of an ears person, but I like them a lot, and I think they make great gifts, so let's put these bad boys on, shrink down a little, move back in my chair. Let's see what else we got in here. Now, oh, up at the top is the magic bag, or the golden bag, I should say. Let's see what's in here. More confetti-like materials. Ooh. I got some Disney Parks pins. So it looks like it's Pluto, Donald, and Goofy with some luggage. Well, Donald has, of course, got to take the luggage, so sorry, Donald, even though I love my Donald. Whew, there is still so much in here. Oh boy. Oh, yes. This just made me super excited. They didn't forget that I love my my Marvel as well, because now I got me a Captain America tie. Yeah, it's kind of a big deal with that one. That's probably going to get the most use out of anything, and I haven't even seen what else is in here, so I love wearing my Disney ties to work. I actually just recently went to a wedding, which I had my gray monorail tie on. Loved it. Look at that bad boy. Magic at Your Door, you killed it with this one. I don't even need to see the rest. I have seen the rest. Oh, here's my magic that I won from last time from the golden ticket. A Country Bear Jamboree magic band. Let's see. Does it focus? I love the Country Bear Jamboree. I actually found their old thing at a secondhand vinyl store. So it's back here in the collection with the other things. But I have a nice collection of magic bands. I love collecting them. They're awesome. I think I might enjoy them more than I like the pins, just because, well, I need to accessorize when I go to Disney. So whatever Disney shirt I'm matching for the day, that's got to be a part of it. All right, what is this? Oh, that's kind of cute. Not sure what it is. Oh, it's a Notepad set. There's a Notepad set with Goofy. And it looks like there's a few of them in there. So it looks like we've got, oh, Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Pluto, and my girl Daisy. Yes. Yes. That's fantastic. Now, I'm probably not going to write on these because they are stinking adorable. And they got little, like the front cover of them is like this kind of felty material. So that's really awesome. Yep, those are going up on a shelf. All right, let's see what else we possibly have. What is this? Oh boy. So I've never, even though I collect the pins, I've never actually got a lanyard. But Mickey Loot's looking out for me. They must know that I own DVC over at Animal Kingdom Village. So, Disney Vacation Club, for anyone. I got me an Hakuna Matata lanyard. So I can start pin trading. Haha. That's going to be something that's going to go down the deep end when I go to Disney next time. I'm going to need at least a couple days of just pin trading. Maybe not riding rides, just looking for things to trade. All right. So the last box I've seen people open, I believe they call them Jim Shores. I don't own any Jim Shores. So apparently this side right here has whatever it is on it, so I don't know what it is. But let me just make sure. Okay, that looks like that's the last thing, as I'm full of foozles. Let's see what Jim Shore this is, without sneak peeking. I'm not really sure what Jim Shores are either. I'm still kind of in the newbie phase of collecting. So, all right. That's down, and that is taped completely shut. I don't want to stab it too deep, because I don't know what's in here. But I think he makes figurines. Figurines of who? I have no idea. It's the man himself. All right. So I have a Mickey Jim Shores. Well, probably still attached to my face. It's really neat. Kind of has that kind of whittled look to it. That is really cool. I'm definitely digging that. So, I don't remember exactly how much this is. I think it's like 120, 125. But certainly think I got my money out of it with the ears. Yep, you're going to see those every once in a while. My new little Mickey figurine. Oh, yeah. My Country Bear Jamboree. My pin. Hakuna Matata lanyard, the notepad, and the thing I will use the most by sure, which is going to be that Captain America tie. Certainly, magic at your door. Anytime you find a tie, I'm always game for it. So, really enjoyed this box. If you guys are interested in magic at your door, I can't say how pleased I am with this. The time amount it takes, I mean, you get it within the month. That part I'm still trying to get used to because I've been getting boxes from another company and feel like I'm on a 4-month waiting list. So this has been absolutely phenomenal. Definitely check it out. Yeah, I can't wait for next month. I think I got a couple more boxes coming this month from 2 different ones. The one from Hong Kong Disneyland, and then I got one that's a Mickey coffee group, so definitely check those out. Those will be in later episodes, hopefully in the next couple weeks. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I hope to see you guys back down the trail.